Hello guys, so today I'm gonna play the Battle Cats English part 15 guys, and for today I'm gonna play Uncanny Legend guys as usual, and we are now in Depth of My Heart, and we are on Woods of Resentment, and who cares guys, let's go guys. Oh yeah. I'm not scared guys. This will be just a easy level guys. An easy level. Oh my god guys. A metal unit. Oh shit. I'm sorry guys. I'm gonna change my unit first guys. It's a metal unit. I'm gonna change. Okay. Okay, let's change to this unit guys. There you are. Not you. Sorry guys. Where are you? Oh my god. There you are. And I'm gonna change this one too guys. Hell yeah. And I'm gonna change Hoodie Cat I think guys. There we go. Let's go guys. Who cares? This level just piece of shit for me I think. Okay, this metal doggo I will kill it with Hoodie Cat I think guys. Or not. I think I will use Kubiluga to kill this metal shit. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will use this. Let's die already. Okay. Nice. Okay, I can stall guys. Nice. Easy level guys. I can stall for money. Okay, easy level confirmed guys. No, my Kubiluga, please don't die. Okay, not die. Okay. Okay. Install tanket guys. Okay. Easy stall guys as you can see. Okay. Look at my money guys. No. Don't kill my Kubiluga you dust. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Let's go guys. Just kill this stage already. I think this an easy stage guys. It's too long to waiting for money until full guys. Just beat this easy stage guys. Okay. Nice. Okay. Let's go. Kill this stage. Okay. Oh shit. Oh my god. What the hell dude? Shit. Oh my god. Can I win this stage guys? This piece of shit. Okay. Okay. Nice guys. It's an easy stage guys I think. Because I have data free guys, don't worry. Nice. Oh my god, this annoying piece of shit. Oh! Damn, just die already. Yuki, guys. Just die already! Die, you piece of shit! Okay, nice. Just die! Oh my... finally it's dead, guys. Easy stage, guys. Just die! Just die already! Yeah! Easy stage, guys. Okay guys, let's do the next level guys. This stage is just too easy guys for me. And now we are on Hermit Catterbox. Let's go guys, who cares? Okay. Looks I think this is an easy stage guys, I don't know. Okay, let's make this bastard. Yes, like that. Okay. Oh my god, I forget to change my... Oh guys, I think I will... Oh, sorry guys. Oh my god, I forget to change it again, guys. Let's use Barok, guys. Where is my Barok? There you are. And I'm gonna use... Amaterasu, I think, guys. Where is my Amaterasu? There you are. And I'm gonna use... Maglev, I think. Okay. Let's go guys, just kill this easy stage guys. Okay. Let's stall for money guys. Okay. Easy step guys. I think this is an easy step. Okay. Let's just stall for money. Oh my god, this zombie thing is annoying guys. Okay. Easy level confirmed guys. Let's just quit this stage. Easy stage guys. Just do everything guys. Just kill this easy stage guys. Oh my god. What an easy stage guys. Die already. Okay. Oh my god. This is an easy stage guys. As you can see. Oh my god. So damn easy guys. Oh my god. I hope I get a strong one next time guys. For today guys, I think I will end it here guys. If you like my Battle Cat English video, guys. Don't forget to leave like, comment, subscribe, and share, guys. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.